The French, Germans, Americans and English all claim to make the best. But whether we eat it with casseroles, sausages, hot dogs or sandwiches, it's a global condiment. The ancient Romans took the mustard seed to what is now France, and by the 9th century, big-time mustard production was underway. Yellow mustard and Dijon mustard have a few ingredients in common, but that's where the similarity ends. Not only are they prepared quite differently, they're derived from different varieties of mustard seed. Yellow mustard is made from the seeds of the white mustard plant. Turmeric and paprika provide the yellow colour and sharp flavour. The other ingredients are salt, water and white vinegar. The powdered ingredients go down a shaft to a mixing tank containing the water and vinegar. Yellow mustard proportions are roughly 60% water, 20% vinegar, 15% seeds and 5% salt and spices. The last ingredient to go in is the mustard seed casing and all. The tank's rotating mixer blends the ingredients for an hour at a seed crushing speed reaching 265 kilometers per hour. The tank's contents empty into several stainless steel mills. Inside each one, a pair of synthetic stones grinds the seeds, a process known as stone milling. The grinding action heats the mixture to about 60 degrees Celsius and turns it into creamy bright yellow mustard. Before bottling, a finesse test is carried out. This ensures the mustard is smooth enough. If its particles are more than 1/4 millimeter in size, the factory adjusts the milling stones to produce a finer grind. Dijon mustard is made from brown mustard seeds, sometimes mixed with other varieties. Usually 2 types of vinegar are used, cider and white. The ingredients ferment for 12 hours before mixing. That's what gives Dijon mustard its strong flavour. After mixing, it's the same stone milling process we saw before. Here's what the inside of those mills looks like. A rotating stone rubbing seeds against a stationary one. The same principle as an old-fashioned pestle and mortar. Dijon is made with twice as many seeds as yellow mustard and 20% less water, which is why it comes out thicker and denser and needs the occasional stir. Filters screen out any particles larger than 1/4 millimeter. The factory saves these coarse pieces to put into specialty mustards. Now the creamy smooth Dijon mustard goes into a stainless steel tank. A slow-speed revolving mixer removes the air, which would otherwise turn it brown and dull its flavour. The yellow mustard tanks also have mixers to remove air and to keep the condiment well blended. Both Dijon and yellow mustard have to cool overnight before bottling. It takes about 20 hours to produce yellow mustard and about 32 hours for Dijon. Yellow mustard has a 15-month shelf life, while Dijon stays fresh for a year. Both should be refrigerated after opening to preserve their flavour. Mustard is a condiment that even health-conscious eaters can enjoy. So whether you're a lover of sweet German, hot English, smooth American or classic French, mustard lovers around the world can find a taste to suit their culinary demands.